Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing 10 healthy facts about lemons. Let's begin. What if I told you that this tiny fruit could help you fight off colds, brighten your skin, and spark your digestion before you even finish your morning tea? Today, we're putting lemons in the spotlight, and trust me, it's about way more than just lemonade. Number 1. A simple and effective way to boost your immunity is to drink lemon juice mixed with honey and warm water. Lemons contain a high amount of vitamin C, which can help reduce cold symptoms and shorten their duration. A single lemon contains approximately 18 milligrams of vitamin C, which accounts for 20% of the daily requirement for adults. Number 2. Aside from being a good source of vitamin C, lemons also contain other beneficial nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, and a variety of flavonoids. Flavonoids are plant-based compounds that possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 3. Consuming a diet rich in flavonoids has been associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. One study found that regular lemon consumption was linked to a lower risk of developing stomach cancer. Additionally, the vitamin C in lemons plays an important role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, and blood vessels. Number 4. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition conducted a study that discovered a connection between eating more citrus fruits, like lemons, and a decreased risk of stroke. Another study showed that consuming flavonoid-rich foods like lemons can help improve symptoms related to cerebral autosomal dominant arteriopathy, with subcortical infarcts and dementia, or CADASIL, a rare genetic disorder. Number 5. Lemons contain a substance called deliminin, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Test tube studies have demonstrated that deliminin can prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells in various types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. However, more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits of deliminin and lemons in cancer prevention. Number 6. To alleviate digestive issues, try adding lemon juice to your water and drink it before meals. Lemon juice contains enzymes that aid in digestion and help prevent heartburn and constipation. Furthermore, lemons are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent digestive problems such as bloating and discomfort. Number 7. In addition to boosting your immune system, vitamin C also plays a vital role in wound healing. The antioxidants in lemons help protect the body from free radicals that can damage cells and delay the healing process. By consuming lemons, you can provide your body with the necessary nutrients to repair tissues and recover faster from injuries or illnesses. Number 8. If you struggle with frequent colds, consider taking lemons. Lemons have long been praised for their health benefits, especially when it comes to fighting cold and flu symptoms. From soothing sore throats to boosting the immune system, lemons are often a go-to remedy for many people. While not everyone will experience benefits, lemons may be worth trying, as it is considered safe for most people. Number 9. If you find it challenging to eat lemons due to their acidity, you can opt for lemon balm tea, which is often enjoyed for its pleasant lemony flavor. Lemon balm is a herb that has similar properties to lemons and can provide many of the same health benefits. You can easily prepare lemon balm tea by steeping dried or fresh lemon balm leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. Number 10. For those who prefer not to consume lemon juice or lemon balm tea, lemon essential oil can be used to obtain some of the fruit's benefits. The aroma of lemon essential oil is not only refreshing, but also offers therapeutic properties. Simply inhaling the scent of lemon essential oil can help alleviate stress and improve mood. Additionally, it has been found to have antibacterial and antiseptic properties. You can use lemon essential oil by diffusing it into the air or diluting it with a carrier oil like coconut oil and applying it topically. And there you have it, 10 healthy facts about lemons. Do you know any others? Feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.